Hey guys, hello. Hey, hey, hey. Happy New Year to everybody. Jerry Landry here with the Weathered Shed. Come on in and join me. I'm going to do a quick chalk project here with you guys. Come on in, say hello. Tell me about your awesome New Year celebration. I hope you all had an awesome evening, whatever you chose to do. Shabby Daddy and I spent the night in. We had a nice, quiet, late night dinner and enjoyed a fire, and it was all good. So I am pulling you guys up on my iPad. I just want to make sure that I could see you guys. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Christy. Hey, Lisa. Come on in, guys. Okay, so Happy New Year again to everybody. I am doing a quick project that I wanted to tell you all about, and also tell you about a kit offer as I'm showing you the project. But hey, Sue, how are you? So tell me, guys, what you did for your New Year. I am going to be doing this cutie pie. This is a brand new design that has come out. If you guys have not seen this product before, this is a silk screen adhesive transfer. You are enough. What a great message for the new year. We all need to be reminded that we're enough, right? No matter what we do in our day-to-day lives. This is a great design. It's beautiful, cute little flowers, and we are offering an exclusive customer-facing kit right now. It's called Simply Said, and it is $34.99, and I'll tell you guys all about that in a second. So let me just flip the camera down and show you guys this quick little ditty. So I'll make sure you guys can see everything okay here. So this particular board that I'm going to show you guys tonight is actually it's our boutique board. It's double-sided, and it is pretty cool. But in the kit, you guys, they're offering a exclusive hexagon-shaped board. It's also 10 inches. This one is a 10-inch round. As you can see, this is a design that I had put on quite a while ago, and I am washing it off, guys. This is what's magical about our product. Hey guys, say hello as you come in. If you are new to this and have never seen me demonstrate this product before, and would like more information as we go on, just type in info in the comments. But as you can see, I am just simply using water and I'm washing off this existing chalk paste. It's paste, not paint. It's pretty amazing. It was originally developed for use on chalkboards, but it can be used on wood, glass, metal, and much more. So that is what I'm going to be demonstrating. And this is just called a boutique board. It's very nice quality. It has this kind of a twine, and it's, again, double-sided, so I could put a design on each side. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate this design, which again is an exclusive customer kit is being offered that includes this particular design. It includes some paste singles, and it also includes a 10-inch hexagon-shaped board, which we as designers do not even get that board, guys. It is an exclusive customer-facing offer. The paste colors that are in the kit are also exclusive. They're brand new colors. We don't even have them. And you can get the kit on my chalk site at gochalkitup.com. And again, if you'd like info, just type info in the comments and I'll go back through and I'll shoot you a link to join my VIP group, and you can learn more about this amazing product, guys. It is so fun, so easy to do, as you will see. So I am going to take and put down here. Actually, I see a little bit, you guys probably can't see this on the camera. I see a little bit of a haze on here. I am using like a magic eraser. This is our exclusive eraser, but you can use magic eraser. But it works really well and takes off any kind of shadowing that may have been left on the board. That paste was on here for quite a long time, so it doesn't surprise me. All right, So say hi. Hey, Anne, how are you? Happy New Year, my dear. Okay, so as I said, guys, if you haven't seen this before, this is a silk screen transfer. It's not a stencil, guys. Completely different than a stencil. It's sticky. It is reusable. And look at that. See that little mini screen in there? That is what makes this product so amazing. You can get 8 to 10 uses out of these with proper care. And yeah, it's incredible. I can't say enough how cool it is. I'm just going to place this down here like so. And I'm doing this upside down so that you guys can see the lettering straight on. So I'm it could be a little bit challenging doing it upside down, but I'll manage. All right, oops, there goes my eraser. Okay, so I am just going to be taking our Chalkology paste. It's a water-based product, guys. And hey, guys, share this out if you would. Please bless me and my business. I would greatly appreciate it. This is a chalk paste. It's not paint, it's a paste, guys. It's water-based. It's pretty amazing. It's about the consistency of marshmallow fluff. And all I'm going to do is just dab some of this across here. You guys are going to be shocked at how long this takes me. I'm going to take one of our angled squeegees. I love this squeegee because you can drag the paste really fast, guys. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. You just want to cover that screened in area, just like that, and look at that excess. Hardly takes anything, you guys. A little paste goes a long, long ways. Look at that. Put the excess back in here, like that. I'm going to pick up a corner of the transfer, and then I'm going to move to the center, and I'm just going to pull it off like so. You want to go side to side or top to bottom because there is a bias in here. It's like fabric. It can actually stretch if you grab it from the corner, but look at that, you guys. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. What did that take me? Seconds, right? Look at that. It is absolutely perfect. Letters come out perfect every single time. As long as you push it down good and you have a smooth surface, you're gonna get a awesome outcome. And the nice thing about this board is even if I had a boo-boo, what do? Spray it with water, wash it off, right, guys? Simple, easy peasy. So I'm gonna hit this with a blow dryer real quick. Make sure it's dry before I move on. So bear with me. Hey, Amanda, Happy New Year, girl. Hey, Samantha. Hey, Christy. Hey, Carrie. Did everyone have a nice new year? Look at that, guys. Dry already. Dry, dry, dry. Amazing, right? Look at that. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. Let me just come over behind the camera here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. It's always a challenge when it's in my holder. There we go. All right. I'm going to zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yes, there we go. That's better. So did everybody have a good new year? Again, guys, as you're coming in, please share this video out. I would greatly appreciate it. And again, like I said, this is dry, so I don't have to worry about it smearing. Unlike a regular chalk, it does not smear. I actually didn't do this with the first transfer, but what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm putting a little bit of fuzz on my transfer because when they're new, they're super sticky. Sometimes they can be harder to pull off. So I just wanted to make sure you guys understood that. Let's see, I think I'm gonna put these flowers at the bottom here. And again, this is part of the Simply Said customer-facing kit, guys. This is the very first time the company has offered a customer-exclusive kit. We, as designers, got just the transfer. We don't get the kit. So you can help me earn the kit. I need to sell 10 or more. And I can get a kit. So if you're interested, just put info in the comments and I will send you a link. Again, it's $34.99. And you get 4 paste singles that look like this. These packets I have a lot of pastes in them, believe me. But you get 4 colors. You get a squeegee. You get an exclusive hexagon-shaped board. It's a 10-inch board. So it's a pretty stinking cool deal. So I'm just getting out a couple other colors here to use for my flowers down there. I've got a mint green. I've got this beautiful tealy color here. And let's see, what else could we throw in there? How about a little pale yellow? I'm thinking spring already, guys. And winter hasn't even come to Wisconsin yet. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. We just like got some white on the ground like a couple days ago. It's so I'm thinking we're probably gonna have winter until April here. With our luck, that's what's gonna happen. Hey Barb, hey Barbara. It's probably going to be winter into April in Wisconsin. Horrible. All right, so here is my beautiful color selection. I've got a mint green, like I said. I've got this teal and this beautiful yellow color. I'm just going to take my little squeegees. I have a bunch of little squeegee wedges, but I'll show you. This, guys, is a multi-tool. I love this tool, but see how it's got this small little end on it? It's great for doing small spots like the leaves here. Allows you to get in there. And again, you just scrape right over that image. Do some over here. Now with the paste, we do have an ink as well that works with our transfers, you guys. That's what's so cool too. So you can think about, you know, the endless ideas with that. You can do fabric, all kinds of fabric. I think because this is, I'm kind of trying to be in a hurry, I'm just going to do all of this in the green, in the mint green, and then do the little individual flowers. But the paste dries fairly quickly, so I do have to move along. So I'm just going to do these in one color, all the little leaves. But if you wanted to take your time, you could definitely put in more colors than I'm doing tonight. But for the purpose of demonstration, and again, you scrape off the excess. You want to see your image through there. And then I'm going to take my little teal color here and do this rose shape in the middle. And maybe these little flowers here and here. But it's pretty cool. It's very addicting, so I am going to warn you if you decide to participate in getting a kit, you are going to be addicted. So I am going to do this one now here, the little yellow in there, and here. And there we go. Again, scraping the excess. I'm going to grab it from the side. Bam, pull it off just like that, you guys. I have a water bath next to me. So I am putting those transfers in water, and that is it for those flowers. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that pretty, guys? And you saw how quick and easy that was, right? You can't get that level of detail with a stencil, guys. If you have a cutting machine like a Cricut, you can't cut out all that little bits and weed. It takes you forever. And we have very intricate designs that are simply amazing. And that's what makes this product so outstanding. And the fact that you get to use it over and over again just gives you more bang for your buck. And so yeah, we are very much in love with this product. All right, I've got another little design here I'm going to put at the top. So again, guys, if you would please share this video out, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm just going to put another little something up here, and using my same little color palette, get some green on here. And as I mentioned, for those joining late, the Simply Said customer kit is available on my site. Or you can just type in info and I will shoot you a link directly to it when I'm finished here so that you don't have to hunt around for it. It is $34.99. it gives you this transfer design, 4 paste singles packets, and a squeegee and a hexagon shaped 10-inch board. It's pretty amazing. And by purchasing, you also help me earn a kit for myself, guys. So I would appreciate that. And then I would also invite you to join my VIP group where we could get together if I get the kit and we can make this project together on a live. Wouldn't that be fun? All right, there we go. Now that one, my green dried a little bit and pulled up, but I kind of like the little rustic look of that. Doesn't bother me one bit, but look at that, you guys. Isn't that adorable? Stinking cute. Who wouldn't love this? You know, maybe you know somebody that's kind of crafty, or maybe you know someone that's been a little bit down on themselves, needs a little pick-me-up for the new year. You could buy this kit for them. I'm sure they would love it as much as I do. So that is it. Isn't that beautiful? So stinking cute and so easy and fun. So I'm going to show you guys real quick one of the transfers, how I wash them, so that you know how easy it is to take care of them. I like to use a microfiber towel, and what I do is I just take my, I'll pull this over here, get this out of the way. I put my transfers in water. Okay, I just wash them off in water like so with your hand. All right, you pull them out, put them on the microfiber, which I'm going to do here really quick so you guys can see how easy it is. And they're very, very sturdy. You don't have to worry about hurting them. They're almost like they kind of remind me of like a cloth or a fabric Band-Aid. Pretty stinking resilient, if I do say so myself. So let me move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. All right. Okay, so I take a disinfectant wipe, guys. All I do is wipe off the design on the front, flip it over, wipe off the back. And the back is the sticky side, right? So I can leave this just air dry like this. Or if I was going to be using another component of the design, I can simply hit it with a low heat on a blow dryer. It will dry very quickly and will be usable again. So stinking easy. And what you can do is you can just take and put them right back on the backer sheets. There's a right and a wrong side, and you can mark them before you take them apart. But it's really easy, and look at how stinking sticky that is again. Right back to new again. And like I said, you get 8 to 10 uses out of these. So if you guys want some information, just type info. I have a VIP group that I'd love to have you join. I do specials in there. And like I said, we have an actual customer-facing special on the website. But I'm also offering this January exclusive special. So you'll want to know more about that by joining my VIP group. You get this adorable transfer, Life is Short by the Shoes. Look at the detail, guys. Can't get that detail with vinyl, with a stencil at all. Only with this product. Pretty amazing. So hop on over if you're not in my VIP group, or if you'd like more info, type info, and I'd be happy to get it to you guys. Thanks again for joining. And just remember, guys, in the new year, you are enough. And God loves you. God bless everybody. Have a great night.